allowed to be contained itong dalawang ito, Jaja Santiago and Eliza Valdez.
Well, you know, so far so good naman for Jaja and Valdez because they have been getting their numbers and they've been playing well. But it shouldn't be limited, like you said, to just them. The others should contribute, like Sue Roses
And Rachel Soltones.
And the rest of the team, you know, when called upon, because this is a championship game and we always say that, you know, stats, we don't really look at the stats anymore because it's about pride.
20 pa lang. So she's still a teenager ngayon. But she has been performing very well. Eliza Valdez, of course, right there.
And at number 2, Eliza Valdez. Libero finals for the gold.
Para sa PLDTs, hype naman sa kanila.
So you know that early on, both coaches, they really... Well, that's what she will bring here in this match, no? Yung pagkatalino niya. We all know Sue Roses.
Well, alam niyo na kung sino nagsiserve.
Oo nga eh. Kaya tumahimik na ako eh.
Valdez could be her MVP year. Salak, Din turned back there by Sue Roses. So Sue Roses responsible for both of the points. Itong PLDT home Volterra here in the first set.
Well, a former MVP for you.
Up 2-time. There's a former finals MVP. Eliza Valdez into the net. 2-1 ang ating score.
Klaro pressure na nararamdaman sila. Over ko rin siyang tinanong kung nakaka-encounter ba siya ng time management conflict because of his external coaching commitments. Nakalinya si Coach saglit at sinabing wala naman. Balik sa inyo.
Eliza Valdez cannot get that one through. 8-6 now in favor pa rin ng PLDT home Volterra.
You know, going back to Tina Salak being vocal at the huddle, you know, even...
Here's Salak now. Dakis. Wow! Pantone is there. Valdez turns back pero magsiscore pa rin siya. Dahil yung blanca ni Tina Salak lumabas.
So what a dig by Pantone.
10-6 PLDT home Volterra. Set number 1. Ruby De Leon. Agno. Salak sa kabila. Dakis. May nakahawak ba? Wala daw. And Daki says, oo nga. Malakas ka yung tira ko.
Did not contest the call.
Ruby De Leon once again. That one goes long.
Wow, service errors really.
Pati siya ha. Galing din sa serve yan. Tina Salak now to serve for the Philippine Army, down by 4. Reception by Tatan. Back set to Eliza. Yes!
Wow, what a kill. Getting it through. Dakis, that's not easy.
Sa utility na pumuesto si Eliza. Trying to look for her points, and she gets it right there. She is back to serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. 12-7. Valdez, good serve from Eliza. Napailing na lang to si Rachel.
Oh, in that play kasi masyado malapit si Manabat sa kanya, so medyo nag-alangan siya sa reception.
6-point lead is the biggest now for PLDT home Volterra. Eliza again. Agno, inangat. Para dito kay Gonzaga, masyadong malayo, di man lang makakatawid. Reception has not been good to the Philippine Army dito sa ating first set na rin. At di na-hintay ni Coach Rico yung technical timeout. Kakausapin na niya.
Oh, you're right there. She's played in too many games, seen a lot of opponents. Alam niya yung mga ganitong atmosphere, she needs to calm her teammates.
Eliza Valdez trying to calm herself down also bago mag-serve. May service error na siya kanina. But this time, she is on target.
I was gonna say, what a target.
Right. Libero change now for the Philippine Army. Shasha Torres checks in for the first time. Eliza once again. Better reception from Torres. They go to Rachel. Off the block. Valdez is there. De Leon on the back set. Sue Roses. Salak. Gonzaga. Tinawid papunta kay Dakis. At block ang inabot ni Sue Roses. 16-7, Noreen. This is a big...
I know. I was gonna say, what a game by PLDT.
16-7 po ang ating score. Valdez pakis. Ayos yan, ha?
Right.
Good serve again, and an easy put away for Eliza.
Boy, reception really not there for Philippine Army here in this first set.
2011, all PLDT Home Ultera here in set number 1. Royce Tubino. De Leon, Eliza on the late attack, and that one just makes it a net violation. Oh, number 3. Number 3, wala naman number 3.
Number of points
Right.
per set.
Yun na nga. Eh, init pa rin yan. Ah, there she is. Oh, see?
On cue eh.
Tama. And again, if you're probably wondering why 3-2 PLDT Home Ultera. Tatan, yeah, Tatan with a good reception though. Galing likod, Eliza, tumama sa kamay ni King Balse.
So everybody contributing to this.
King Balse. Tatan, Jem, Eliza, yes.
Find the line.
Eliza Valdez coming off. Jaja, again a good one. Tina Salak sending it to Dindin from the open. Oh, wow, Jen Ferrer showing a lot of strength and sending that one back. Free ball. Ferrer, combination, Eliza, yes!
That's the way to get the point. Keep mixing it up.
At nakahabol na po ang PLDT. This is 4 straight. Serving for the lead. Gonzaga. Salak dumping it over. Roses. Eliza. Lusot na naman.
Coverage not there for Philippine Army.
Eliza trying to stay cool and composed pa rin. But the crowd is really fueling her right now. Sino ba yung smaller block na dinaanan? 5'11".
Oo nga. That's what you like about her, no? She makes do with whatever set she gets.
Well, of course, she has matured a lot. Eliza, great angle.
You know, I'm surprised that Army Casa de Vanadera as their middle blocker.
Here is Tina Salak. Combination play ngayon. Eliza, nalusutan si Jovelyn Gonzaga that time.
That was a 3-man block.
Matalim. Sasa nalunod. That's 4 touches. Good call by referee Lumar Pajarillo. At sino yung tatawagin? Si Tubino. Sermon. Okay, sasabihin. Pag nahuli kayo ni referee Lumar Pajarillo, maghanda kayo. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
Oh, good serve.
Tatan got to that one. Eliza!
And Tina Salak just apologizes to Coach Rico.
Taon niya yan eh. What a serve.
Oh,
Valdez! Walang kumuha sa kabila para sa Army.
well, triple man block, so there's a huge gap there in the back.
Eliza Valdez, binalik ang kalamangan din sa PLDT Home Ultera. Again, all her power into the hands of Jovelyn Gonzaga. Gonzaga. De Leon, combination. Eliza over everybody. Good drop shot coming from Eliza Valdez.
Smart play. That's how they should do it, not slowly. They shouldn't